Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right items for evade, mobility, defense, and one utility tool. You want speed without sacrificing survivability, so drop heavy duplicates and keep weight under 20% of max. Once done, map 2 quick hotkeys for consumables, one for instant heal, one for a speed burst, and test a 0. 5-second tap. Make sure to inspect item cooldowns, write their numbers, and prioritize which to use first. This is the foundation of every successful run. You now begin the encounter by activating mobility and moving on short, unpredictable bursts to force enemy mistakes. As you approach, bait 1 or 2 attacks, then trigger your defense after 2 stagger events so you don't waste charges. Once the enemy commits, use utility tools to interrupt targeting. A stun, flash, or smoke works depending on the match. Make sure to constantly reposition. Flanking increases hit success and lowers incoming pressure. So rotate rather than holding a single line of sight. You finish by committing resources only when the outcome is clear. Use remaining consumables to chase a low-health target or to secure an escape. If things go wrong, retreat to cover and reset. Swap to lighter gear to regain mobility, then re-engage on your terms. Make sure to verify hotkeys and item charges in the safe zone, reload or re-equip if a slot is empty. One key troubleshooting tip: if your inputs don't register, remap the offending hotkey and test a 0. 5's press before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.